AI is the biggest thing to happen to culture and to business in an epoch. It's shifting us. It's challenging us. It invites people and organizations not just to optimize, but to evolve. I've been in this space for 20 years, long before it was sort of sexy or cool. I felt every emotion, the panic.
And if it goes in the wrong hands, it can be catastrophic.
The overwhelm.
300 million jobs could be lost to AI.
I get it. This stuff doesn't have to be scary. It can actually feel exciting if you know where to start.
Would you please welcome the one and only Martin.adams.
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 My name's Martin Adams. I'm an ethical AI entrepreneur, a Harvard-trained lawyer who practiced in privacy and intellectual property. The companies I founded and sold were required for doing the right thing with technology.
Good ethics is actually good business in this space.
He's done work with the World Economic Forum, and it shows how we have fundamentally misunderstood the role of AI.
Sensitive organizations and leaders, they go on the journey of embracing AI as an innovation and a transformation rather than as a productivity technology. Sensitivity is the ability to deeply sense what the market needs and effectively respond. The smartest businesses are treating innovation as continuous. Through AI, they can finally and fully understand and serve their market. My job is to help you feel like this makes sense. It's about reclaiming confidence. I want to cut through all this noise, all this mess, and help you understand your opportunity. No hype, no panic and paralysis. Let's do transformation.
We're living through a shift in what it means to run a business and be human.